Okay, so this is arithmetic series again. This is week 9, lesson 4. We're just literally going to kind of jump into this problem, all right, and see what we know, maybe what we need. So it says find the sum of the arithmetic series. So let me write the formula because I know the formula for the sum of the arithmetic series. All right, let's see. Where a sub 1 is 3, so I can plug that in right there. D is 8. Okay, so this is kind of weird. They've given me D, and I'm looking in this formula, and my formula doesn't include a D. So let me fill in what else I know. The number of terms is 20, so I'm finding the sum of the first 20 terms, 20 over 2, and this is supposed to be the 20th term. So I don't know what the oh, well, that makes a whole lot of sense. That means that this is here so that I can use the other formula that does have a D in it so that I can figure out what the 20th term is. So let me put in the first term, let me put in the 20 and the D. So a sub 20 is 3 plus whatever 19 times 8 is. Again, handy dandy calculator. 19 times 8 is 152. All right, so that means that the 20th term is 155, which then means back over here, I now have a number to put in that place. It's 3 plus 155. And again, this is where my handy dandy calculator comes in, but I just wrote something too big. Give me a sec. Here we go. So sum of the first 20 is going to be 10 times 100. Oh, I don't need a calculator, do I? 158. That's 1,580. Okay, moving up. Let's try example number 2, okay, which is going to be similar. Okay, so the given information is the number of terms, the first term, and the difference. But for the formula, this one that I would use to find the sum, I need to know what the 40th term is, right? I can fill in a bunch of stuff. I can fill in this, and I can put a 40 in there, and I can put the first term in, but what I can't fill in is what the 40th term is. I'm going to have to use the other formula. So writing that up and filling in what I need and what I have. That's a negative. 8 plus 39 times negative 3. All right. 39 times negative 3 plus 8 is negative 109. So now this number is the one that's going to go right here, and I can continue my calculation in my calculator. Plus 8 times 20 is negative 2020. Wow, is that like social commentary or what? I do believe 2020 is pretty negative. Okay, anyway, not a funny joke. Here we go, example 3. All right, so let's see. Oh, these are interesting numbers. Check this out. The first term is a 1. The difference is a 1. And the number of terms is 100. It looks something like this if I actually wrote it all out, and the last term would be 100. Huh. All right. Well, here we go. The sum of, oh, well, think about this. If I know exactly how many numbers there are in this list, there are 100. So 100 over 2. The first term is 1. The last number is 100. So this is what, 50 times 101. So 50 times 101, I believe, is 5,050. Yeah. All right, there you go. So again, you may have to use 2 separate formulas on this particular lesson.